Hi guys, welcome to the debut of Catsy on the Gadget Shelf. And for today, I'm unboxing this tandem that just came in the mail. Thanks to our friends over at CBS Ergonomics, because, well, Mark won their sort of 3D design competition like a, a month back. And yeah, this just came as part of his prizes, and we also have unboxings of the rest of the prizes we got from them, and they're really nice. I'm actually the one using them, so I decided to share my setup with you guys. So first up, this is the iPad Pro in the third generation iPad Pro, 11 inches, Wi-Fi, and 128 gig. Anyway, so this is the box of it. This is already the supercharged one in the with the M1 processor. So I have a MacBook Air with the M1 and it's pretty powerful. So I'm excited to see how it will run an iPad Pro. And this is the second generation Apple Pencil. This is the one with the magnetic charging. So yeah, we'll be unboxing these ones and I'll bring over my old setup in a while. So first, let's do the iPad. So no need for my trusty cutter for this unboxing because they have that flap. This is the space gray um, color. This is what's inside. It's a very, very thin piece of technology. I have always loved the iPad from my first one, the iPad 2, to the iPad mini, to the iPad Pro, and finally this latest M1 iPad Pro. So aside from the iPad itself, I think these are like some information, which, and of course, this classic Apple sticker never fails. And then you have a charger and a USB-C to USB-C cable. So there you go. So satisfying just to peel it off. Okay, so we now have fingerprints on the device. And then next, Apple Pencil. I think this is pretty straightforward. The Apple Pencil second generation isn't exactly new, so I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of unboxings of this one. But let's just unbox it on cam for our channel. So again, paperwork. This has come with a sticker. I'm not seeing it immediately, so yeah, let's just put this away. And then this is the pencil. So that's a protective sticker over it. And this is magnetized to the side. Okay. So now I'm thinking the case. Now, this is the 9.7-inch one. As you can see, I have plenty of notifications there. So I have a white and well, rose gold one. And this is how it looks like for size comparison. The bezels are quite thin in the new one, which is really a good thing. As you can see here and then here, it's practically, well, it's still there. It's not edge to edge, but it's an improvement. And then this one is the Apple Pencil, the first gen one. In case you're wondering, this is a 12 South leather case. I tried looking at their website. I don't think they do this kind of protective case anymore. So I'm sad. I have to look for a different brand, but we'll see. So this is the iPad Pro. This is the camera setup here. Feels reminiscent of my iPhone 11 camera setup. And then I think this is where you attach the docks. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward device. Let me look for the power button. There you go. Hello there. Okay, that should be enough. English, Philippines. And yeah, I'll have to set this up first and then I'll get back to you guys. So thank you for watching. This has been Katsy on the Gadget Shelf, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.